everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix email already in use error when signing up on TradingView. If you're trying to create a new account but get this error, it means that the email is already tied to an existing TradingView account. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, check if you already have account with that email. If you've ever signed up using Apple ID or Google or directly with email, your email is already registered. Try tapping login instead of sign up and choose the method you originally used. Next, if you signed up with Google, tap continue with Google and select the same Gmail account. If you signed up with Apple, then tap Apple, continue with Apple. If you use hide my email, TradingView will recognize the private relay address. Next, if you signed up with email and password, choose the regular email login and enter your credentials. If you don't remember the password, tap forgot password on the login screen. Follow this email, enter your email and check for a password reset link. Follow the instructions to set a new password, then log in. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find TradingView and swipe it away completely, then reopen and retry the login process. Now next, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your app store and then search for TradingView and then see if there's an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you're using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Privacy tip: don't create multiple TradingView accounts with the same email using different sign-up methods, just in case it can cause login confusion and account overlap. Quick fix: if the error persists, try logging in using Apple or Google with the same email to automatically link it. If you can't recover account and can't log in, contact TradingView support and reset the email. And then avoid using secondary aliases or temporary emails. Stick to your main verified email to prevent future login issues. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.